Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IGNOU Mentor, and today we'll be discussing a very important topic, which is IGNOU December 2025 exam form filling process. Okay, so this is very important topic for you guys. I know that, and you might have some confusion about the important dates, exam fee structures, and eligibility criteria. So I have made a particular note on it and to inform you very particularly so that your confusion can be vanished. So if you talk about the dates of form opens, it is 10th September 2025. Okay, and without late fee you can submit it up to 10th October 2025, and obviously with late fee you can expected to fill it till mid October. Okay, and the late fee will be 1100. Okay, that would be applied if you fill it after 10th October. And what would be the exam fee structure? I'm gonna tell you. So it would be 200 per course if it is theory course, and if you're filling the examination form for practical courses, practical subjects, then it would be 300 to 500 depending upon the credit of your course. Okay, and obviously late fee will be applied, that is 1100. So I'm taking you to the step-by-step process how you can fill the exam form. Okay, so this is the website where you can fill your exam form, that is exam.ignou.ac.in. Okay, and after that, when you go to the website, you will have to click on online submission of December 2025 term and exam form, right? And after that you have to put number, enrollment number, and date of birth. Then you have to select the code, course, exam center, and medium carefully. And after that you have to follow this particular process to fill your exam form. You can pay online for your exam forms through credit card, debit card, net banking, or UPI. Once you submit it, you can take out take the printout or the screenshot of that for future reference. If somebody in IGNOU asks you for the screenshot of the payment, you can show it there. Okay, so these are the things you have to keep in mind. So I'm just a part of this. I think one more important thing that you have to understand about your exam, actually the date set of your examination in December has been published, and where you can find out, I'm gonna show you. This is the official website of Indira Gandhi National Open University. Once you go to this page, ignou.ac.in pages/60, once you go there, you will get this particular announcement tab. Okay, so once you click on announcement, you can see there the latest update has been updated, and in fourth number, I think it's tentative date sheet for December 2025 term in exam. So if you want to check out the dates when the exam gonna happen, you can download it from here. Once you click on it, you will get this particular pop-up, tentative date sheet for conduct of December 2025 term and exam. Okay, So here you can download. Once you click on it, you can download it, and here it is. So if you want to check out the date of your exams, let's say if you study, let's say one of your subjects is MEG01. Okay, so you can search here MEG01. Once you search it, you can see the exam for MEG01 will be happen on 1st December 2025 Monday. Okay, in this way you can find out the examination dates. I already told you how can it be downloaded. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you had good information from this video, and I will promise to come with another video. Till then, thank you very much. Have a great day.